Washing our hands and face is something we never think twice about. We sanitize high-touch surfaces in our household and spray disinfectants to keep germs at bay. What we don't realize is that all of the precautionary measures we take might be easily reversed just by grabbing our phones, keys, other daily essentials and surface of anything. Even frequent use of spray and chemical is toxic for our body and especially for child. A study conducted by the University of Arizona revealed that your cell phone is a hotspot for germs. In fact, they found that it can carry 10 times more bacteria than most toilet seats. So to protect you and your family and society, please watch this video till the end. For your help, we have mentioned the purchasing link in the description. So let's start the show. Number 10 is GAKUS UV Sanitizer Travel Wand. Features are: lightweight and convenient handheld design can sterilize the required area at any time. The special lampshade design allows the lamp tube to be partially exposed, which has greater sterilizing power and is also convenient for wiping the lamp tube. Maintain cleanliness in the room, closet, and household items. Avoid being covered by harmful microorganisms. Suitable for office travel, outing, and travel. IP65 waterproof. Used in personal daily necessities, chopsticks, spoons, cutlery, telephones, desks, toilets, public places, cars, etc. Number 9 is Pursonic S450 Deluxe plus Rechargeable Sonic Electric Toothbrush. Features are: Pursonic Wave Toothbrush with 30,000 ultra-powerful strokes per minute removes plaque and bacteria left behind by other toothbrushes. Features of built-in UV sanitizer designed to kill 99.9% of bacterium and germs on the brush heads. Germicidal UV bulb annihilates more than 99.9% of bacteria in 7 minutes. Sanitizing chamber stores up to 4 brush heads. Easy to remove brush heads allow the entire family to use main unit. Included brush heads are in assorted colors for easy identification. 2-minute timer with 30-second alerts promote better brushing habits and reminds users when to breathe. 3 operation modes: normal, soft, and massage. In the box, Pursonic S450 Ultra High-Powered Sonic Electric Toothbrush, 12 brush heads, charging dock with AC adapter, user manual and 1-year warranty card. Number 8 is JMORE UV Light Sanitizer with Ozone model. Features are: widely used in many spaces. It's a germicidal lamp with the dimension 51 cm, 26 cm and 26 cm, suitable for the small space like office, living room, store, car, bedroom, kitchen, shoes cabinet, washing room, baby room, pet house, toilet, and much more space you desire to purify. Ozone model. Unlike other UV lights which depends on the UV light heavily, which means they will not work as expected when furniture blocks the way of the UV light, UV sanitizer light can generate ozone all around the room to sterilize without barrier. Ozone will do harm to the human body, so please ventilate the room for 30 minutes after use. Flexible timing function under the consideration of the body health and the power consumption. There are 3 time options on our UV sterilization light: 15-minute, 30-minute and 60-minute for chose on the remote control according to the different areas. The larger the room, the more time it needs. Important note: all the ultraviolet disinfection lamps will emit very strong UVC light which will harmful your health, so please don't stay together with this light when it turn on. Include your pet, plant and others. Number 7 is DXNB UV Germicidal Light with remote control. Features are: very safe to use, 3-gear timing function and 30s delay timing. Needn't worry about forgotten turning off UV light cause hurt and radiation. Big area, powerful 36-watt UVC quartz lamp effectively covers up to 40 square meters. Disinfect surface, round 360 degrees thorough cleans. High efficiency, the lamp works effectively in cleaning rooms, and effectively improves the living environment. Applicable for health use for home, loft, office, factory, school, restaurant, clinic, hospital, basement, mall, and others. Big area place. Very important, this device will emit very strong UVC light. It will harmful your health, so please don't stay together with this light. When it turn on, include your pet, plant and others. Number 6 is PerfectDry Luxe Automatic Hearing Aid UVC Disinfecting and Cleaning System. Features are: 360-degree UVC lamp, forced air fan drying system, quick cycle 30-minute. Optimized ergonomics. Quality and sturdiness. Low energy consumption. Compact case and design. USB power supply. Number 5 is Mojaworks Ultraviolet Light Wand Sanitizer UVC Sanitizing, perfect for hard surfaces. Features are: kills up to 99% of germs, clinically proven to kill up to 99% of germs in just seconds. It kills germs and allergens found on hard surfaces at home, in the office, on public transportation, and in other public places. Portable and easy to use, bring the travel wand wherever you go. This little powerhouse is lightweight and portable, so it can easily be stored in a purse, a briefcase, a handbag, or your luggage. Simply push the on-off switch and pass the wand over the area you want to sanitize to disinfect objects in your surrounding before they get near your skin. Proven effective. First, germs exposed directly to the UV light are killed instantly. Second, the oxygen, O2, in the air reacts with the UV light in a range of wavelengths that create ozone, O3. O3 safely eliminates up to 99.9% of any remaining germs. The O3 is the same air created by a lightning strike, leaving a totally safe, fresh air smell without any residue or chemical odors. Convenient, cordless, battery-operated 4AA, not included. All the cleaning power of UV light packed into a portable 10.5-inch wand that fits easily into a purse, backpack, or briefcase. UVC light technology. Advanced UVC technology makes it possible for this sanitizing travel wand to destroy more than 99% of bacteria and viruses within seconds. For your safety and protection, this disinfectant does not contain any chemicals. Ultraviolet UV light is one of several bands of sunlight that has long been used in water treatment facilities and hospitals to sanitize water and operating rooms. UV light destroys germs by damaging their DNA. Number 4 is ForPro Premium Hot Towel Warmer, UV Sterilization. Features are: heats to 180 degrees Fahrenheit in about 30 minutes, no thermostat needed, and features UV sterilizer to keep towels clean and fresh. Includes a water drip tray and 2 stainless steel racks that will not rust. Holds 24 facial-sized towels, recommend ForPro 100% cotton washcloths. High quality on-off button. Well-insulated cabinet stays cool when on all day. UV sterilizer will also sterilize medical masks to help to remove germs and contaminants. Number 3 is Spider UV Germicidal Light UVC Lamp. Features are: 4 timer modes, May 15, 30, 60 minutes, more safer. Automatic turn-off designed for different size rooms. More convenient, including a removable base, with 5.5 feet cord and plug, can be placed anywhere. Save time, no longer need to wait. Turn on the UVC lamp when out, had finished working when come back. Covers up to 400 square feet. 8,000 hours long lifespan, each bulb passed through 2 inspection processes. 100% satisfaction and money-back guarantee. We vouch for our germicidal bulb's efficiency and durability. In the unlikely event you are dissatisfied with your purchase, you are free to return it to us within the first 90 days and receive a full refund. Number 2 is BRIGHTINWD UV Light Mini Sanitizer Travel Wand. Features are: safe to use, an internal mechanism that turns the wand off automatically when the UV lamp faces upwards. Proven to work. The scientist has been scientifically proven to kill 99.9% of germs using its sanitizing, germ-killing function. Please read it carefully. The light will never turn on if it is point towards you or right, left or in front. So please do not assume that the product is faulty. Easy to use. Our UV sanitizer could be powered on by battery or USB charger. 4 AAA batteries were not included. Press the on/off button 3 seconds, and when the indicator light turns blue, you can use it to scan wherever you want to be sanitized. Easy to carry. Compact size, 12.5 centimeters, 3.5 centimeters and 2.5 centimeters. Weight, 65 grams. Battery power and USB power. Portable to carry. Enjoy your job, your rest, ensure you have a trip in a clean environment. Number 1 is CrazyCap UV Water Purifier Cap and Insulated Self-Cleaning Water Bottle. Features are: powered by deep UVC, effectively eliminates 99.9996% of mold, bacteria and viruses from water, with nothing but UV light exposure. Cap doubles as a sanitizer travel wand, simply wave over any surface to sterilize. UVC is sterilization of the future CrazyCap's powerful, in cap, UVC light rays are the same wavelength as the UV used to sanity operating rooms and water treatment plants. Replaces 500,000 water bottles, reduces plastic waste and needless spend of bottled water. Premium bottle made of vacuum-insulated stainless steel, keeps water cold for 24 hours, hot for 12. Self-cleaning bottle, stops bacteria and mold from breeding in your water bottle. Auto activates every 4 hours to keep your water pristine and the bottle mold-free. Drinkable water at your fingertip, high-tech, chemical-free purification. Best alternative to boiled water and water tablets. Backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee, because we know you'll love it as much as we do. So these are the best UV sanitizer for home, office or commercial place. If like this video, please subscribe my channel and like and share to your friends. With this I am signing off. Thank you.